Hey guys, welcome to my AI update thing that I've thing project that I've been working on. I mean, it's been a while. I apologize. Oh man, I had an issue going on earlier. I mean, a while back. I had this bug that was really hard to find. I had this heap corruption bug, and sometimes I would get this triggered this breakpoint was triggered or something like that. And when you get any of those, it just means like, hey, welcome to hell. You know, if any of you guys have ever encountered any of that any of those two bugs, you'll realize that it's hard to find that bug because it does not tell you what it is or what it was or where does it come from or anything like that. So it took me a while to figure out the bug that I was having, and it took me a while to figure it out, but eventually I ended up figuring it out, as you can see, because now I'm making a video. I apologize, it's lagging a little bit, and it's probably because I'm recording. But um, but yeah, I figured it out. I mean, it started happening when I started adding the weapon system in here. You know, you can see there's different weapon colors now and all that kind of stuff. It started happening when I added that. And at first, I thought that was the reason why the bug was happening. I was investigating into my weapon system, and in the end, it wasn't because of that reason. It was because I was creating, I was calling new a lot of times in my state machine. So every time I would change my state machine, um, every time I changed my state machine, I always created a new every single time, and that and that bug never told me that was the reason because it doesn't tell you at all. And yeah, so once I figured out that was the reason, I ended up changing the way the state machine kind of worked. I mean, instead of deleting it, I kept it saved. I saved it instead. So yeah, so I didn't delete it anymore. So every time I would go to that state machine, I would reset it again to the beginning. So it would do like it will restart from the start, right? From the beginning. So that's what I did instead of deleting it. I will actually save it, and yeah, that's what I did. And once I fixed that, that was the bug, and I fixed it and everything. So there we go. So I apologize for that. So now I'm back to this making the video. So I apologize. Like I said again, apologize, but it took me a while to figure that bug. But anyways, things that I fixed and added here. You might notice was a little bit, tiny bit different, kind of. I mean, just the bullets, because everything else is the same still. So the bug that I fixed was when it was rotating to a target when it was fleeing, because when he flees, it still shoots at the target, and earlier it wasn't really working correctly. It kept flickering, or how do you say, rotating back and forth. So I fixed that bug, so now he flees and shoots as it's fleeing away. And another thing that I added to that flee state is that as he's fleeing away to the safe zone, if it finds another enemy along the way, it'll keep shooting as he's fleeing away. So it'll still shoot. Before it didn't do that, it will just keep running away. But yeah, that's the thing I added to that fleeing state. I also added if there's any if a character is within do you say? If one of the characters is attacking, it'll tell nearby allies within a certain radius if it finds any, and it will tell to help it out, you know. And if it's within that certain radius, then it will come in and help them out, help that character out. So that's another thing I added. Added the different weapons. I'm gonna go overview. You can see there's points in here. There's a yellow point. There's a green one. There's another green one. There's a purple one, a violet pinkish one. Each one is a different type of weapon. I added an assault rifle. The assault rifle is orange, and that's its default weapon that it has. I added a machine gun, which is the green one. So that one shoots a lot more than any other weapons that I added. I added a shotgun, which is the pink one, pinkish violet color. And I added a burst rifle, where it shoots like 3 bursts at a time. So this is the assault rifle, it's orange, it's default. And the the burst rifle is the yellow one. So yeah, And as always from previous things, the blue team always favors. I don't know why. The blue team always wins. The red team sucks. For some reason, I do not know why. And every single, I mean, my friend in college also did the same thing, kind of, almost similar to this. And always the blue team always favors. I don't know why. I don't know why. I'm serious. And also, as you can see, I added particles. So when they die, they shoot out particles, and kind of the particles not good. It's not that great, you know. I don't have textures for me at the moment, but eventually I will add them. But for now, I think it's a good particle. I added a particle system. Yeah, I gotta fix this bug. I still haven't fixed it when it goes to walls. Yeah, I figured out what the reason is. Is when it helps out, like he searches for nearby allies. It it comes along and it also do separation, which pushes them away from each other, and that ends up pushing it inside the blocked area that inside the wall basically. So that's one of the bugs that I gotta fix. I guess I'm gonna have to start adding collision, and I kind of started doing it, but it started lagging. So because there's a lot of collision going on with the walls, there's a lot of walls in here. So I gotta figure out a good way to do that. And once I do, hopefully in the next video I'll have that. Another thing that I added in here is this. I updated, as you can see, before we used to rotate right to where it will jump to rotation to where it was looking at. Now it smoothly rotates to its target. Before it will automatically rotate to that place. Now it doesn't do that. Now it smoothly rotates. Another thing I added is the steering behaviors. If any of you guys know that, I added steering behaviors in this, which consist of separation. And I added some other ones to make it look a little bit better. Where seek will always is same thing as seeking something, and I have an arrive, which is part of the steering behaviors. Where once it reaches its target location, it will slow down. So I have that. So I added steering behaviors. I hope you guys know what it is. I added, as you can see. I'm not sure if I had it in the previous video or not, but I displayed the safe zones now. I'll probably make it change it to a different color because sometimes it blends in with the character. So maybe I'll have a lighter color of it. Yeah, that's basically what I added in here. I added a particle. As you can see, I added this too in the bottom just to tell me who's winning. As you can see, the blue team is winning 62 kills and red team has 23 kills. And that's just crazy, you know. And basically, I will have this. All I need to do here is to add a winning condition. Basically, this is the objective. It's a Slayer. I like the way Slayer sounds instead of Team Deathmatch. I don't know. So I call this Slayer this objective. And I guess once you reach a certain points, they'll win. And it looks like the blue team won this one. I haven't added a winning condition yet. So, and then the next thing is weapon pick. I haven't talked about weapon pickups. Like I said, this is the weapon pickup spawn points. And if it finds one along the way, it will go towards it. And if one collects it, it will disappear. Like this one disappear. Like you just saw this one appear right now. So when they collect it, they disappear for a couple of seconds before they respawn back again. So if they die, they will lose that weapon. They will go to a default weapon. You can see this is a machine gun here. Yeah, he won already. You saw the green bullets. The green bullets are the machine gun. But yeah. I guess that's about it. You see this machine guns going on here. But the thing about machine guns, it has a longer reload than any other weapon. Of course, it's a machine gun, right? I just have to tweak all of this button. All of these stuff with reload tweaking and damage tweaking and all that kind of stuff. So far, the machine gun is a little bit powerful than any. Of course, it makes sense, right? But I gotta do a little bit more tweaking. But other than that, it should be all good. I just gonna do a little bit more performance updates. Once I start adding more stuff to it, of course, it's gonna start lagging more now because it's searching more stuff now for weapon pickups and all that kind of stuff. But it's still 60 frames. Right now it's 17 because I'm recording. But yeah. Someone else, I'm not sure if I mentioned it here, but someone else mentioned about me adding textures to make this look a little bit better, to make it look a little bit better. But I don't really care about that right now because I just want to make the AI work. That's my goal. That is my goal. I gotta make that work. And someone else also mentioned adding more stats. Like someone has more defense, attack, fear, and all that kind of stuff. I like that idea. Maybe I added. Maybe that will be a different section, like a different objective, maybe, or a different playlist. I don't know what I'm gonna name it, but I don't know what I'm gonna do with it. But like someone has defense will basically have more health or will lose less damage, and someone has an attack, a higher attack stat, then will have more damage. If someone has a fear stat that's a little bit high, they will fear away faster than any other ones. It will flee away. And I don't know, I'm thinking of that. I like that idea, so thank you for mentioning that. I really like that. But yeah, I hope you guys liked this video. And it was just me explaining stuff. I let this play for like half an hour, I believe, or an hour. It's been running. So far so good, hasn't crashed or anything. You see character 1 has 7 kills. Has a kill streak of 5. Oh, killing spree. I like that killing spree better. I don't know why I'm favoring Halo for some reason, but I've been playing it a lot. It's died 11 times and his weapon is burst rifle. This one also has a burst rifle. Type 4, assault rifle, machine gun. This one has a machine gun. But yeah, I gotta tweak more stuff in here with the separation when they touch each other and they separate correctly. That's something I gotta fix. Or tweak. I mean, that's what I mean. Who's the MVP of this? Oh, the green one. This one has 7 kills. This character, wait. Character 1 has 15 kills. Wow. And killing spree is 12. Well, this guy is crazy. This guy is owning 9 kills and 5 killing sprees. 7 kills and 4. 7, 4 again. 8 and 5. 16. Wow. 16. Was 16 6 deaths? What about the other one? Okay, this one's doing a little bit better. It only died twice. But the other one has died, but it has 16 kills. And killing spree of 8. This one has a 15 too? Wow. Oh no, it's the same one. Never mind. Okay, it's the first character. Okay. Okay. Alright. They're battling. They're battling who's winning, who's gonna get the kills. Who's gonna be MVP in this match. Against character 1 and character 6. I gotta add names so that someone else put some names already. I'll take that into consideration. Well, thank you for that. But yeah, if any of you guys have any other ideas that you guys want to see in here or want me to add, let me know. But in the next video, I'm pretty sure I'm gonna add more. I'm gonna optimize it a little bit more. Optimize it. Hopefully, this one will have a winning condition. I don't really care about the winning condition because it's simple to do anyway. And I would like to add another objective to this, or I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. Yeah, in the next video, I'll do a little bit more optimization here with walls, colliding with walls. Hopefully, I have that in there. But if it starts lagging, then I gotta figure out some other way to do it. Maybe CUDA or something. I don't know. We'll see. I added particle systems. I already have in there. Let's see what else. I gotta change the color of this. Like you see, it blends in with the character, so you can barely see it. But I gotta change the color of that, and start adding the bomb objective, like like from Halo, the bomb. Problem with that is gonna take a little bit longer because I gotta update the AI. So if someone's holding the ball, is the carrier of the ball is going towards the other the opponent's base, I gotta make the characters follow that character to protect it. And I don't have that functionality yet. So that, like I said, that's gonna take a little bit longer. Or maybe defense, someone will stay behind and stay defense, and someone will go and try to find a bomb or something. I don't know. I gotta update the AI, and I gotta write it down and figure out how I'm gonna do that. But yeah, and also when they're defenders, they're gonna make the carrier the priority to target it. So there's other stuff that I gotta get into this. So I will have it. It'll be a cool thing to add in this. It'll be awesome. But I gotta update a little bit the AI, make it a little bit better than it is right now. Making them a tiny bit smarter than it is. And I'm not sure if I missed anything in here. Like this guy. Maybe make it a little bit smarter if it's just one person against 2. maybe it'll flee because you know is he doesn't have that advantage, right? But yeah, that's more checking around, and yeah, hopefully the next thing that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to do this cell partitioning thing, and almost hopefully some of you guys know that is that when you divide the when you start dividing this into cells, the screen, and check to see if there's anybody in there for neighbors and all that, and you only do collision inside that area. And I've never done that before, but that's the plan right now. But yeah, if there's anything you guys like to add in this video, let me know. But yeah, I hope you guys like this video, and I'll fix this bugs. And if there's anything, suggestions that you guys want me to do in the future, let me know as always. I would love that. I know I haven't done much videos yet lately. I settled Let's Plays. I've been doing a lot of Let's Plays, but I don't want to forget doing this either, because yeah, you have any suggestions of me doing anything in the future, let me know, and I'll consider that. So I'll see you guys later. I hope you guys liked it. Thumbs up if you guys enjoyed it, and share it for other people to see. Maybe they'll give me more ideas to do what to do in here. But yeah, I hope you guys liked it, and I'll see you guys later. Signing out, guys.